Download Storyboard app from Play Store. Learn and prepare for various entrance exams but with stories. Link for the app is in the description. Let's solve a short story puzzle on Banya Ki Duniya. Banya in his business has to weight amount from 1 kg to 121 kg. So this is the range of the weight that he has to measure. Anything starting from 1 kg till 121 kg and any of the weight in between that to the nearest kg. To do this, how many minimum weight he needs and how heavy should each weight be? Okay, so that is my question here. So what is it like he wants to measure? He wants to measure anything in the range of 1 kg to 121 kg. So if I give you any weight which is in between that, say 81 kg, he needs to measure that. Say 5 kg, he wants to measure that. Say 120 kg, he wants to measure that. Anything in this range he wants to measure. So what are the minimum weights that will be required for him to measure this? Okay, maximum shouldn't have been the problem, but minimum is a problem. So let's start weighing this. Okay, so this is my weighing pan. How will I weigh this? I'll put say 1 kg of ingredient here. I want to sell wheat, so I'll put 1 kg of wheat here. I want to measure this 1 kg of wheat, so I need one basic weight of 1 kg. So one weight of 1 kg will be required here. I'll put this 1 kg weight here and I'm done with problem. Okay, I'm done with measuring 1 kg. Now say I want to measure 2 kg, not 1 kg. I want to measure 2 kg of this. You will say take one more weight of 1 kg. Now then you are trying to maximize this. How can I minimize this? So I'll say take one more weight, but now this will be of 3 kg. You'll ask me a simple question, why did I take a 3 kg here? Because with 3 kg I can measure 2 kg as well. How can I measure this? Put your 1 kg weight here. You have a 1 kg weight, right? You have one 1 kg weight and you have one 3 kg weight. With this you can measure 2 kg weight. So put this 1 kg here. So this becomes 3 kg and then put a 3 kg weight here. Okay, so that you know that now this is 2 kg. And that's how simple it is. You can measure 2 kg with 1 kg and 3 kg weight. Now can you measure? So you can measure 1, you can measure 2. Can you measure 3? Of course you can measure 3. Just keep one 3 kg weight here and keep 3 kg of ingredients here. So you can easily measure 3 kg. Can you measure 4 kg by this? Can you measure 4 kg by this? Of course. You keep 3 kg here and you keep 1 kg here. With this 3 kg and 1 kg you can measure 4 kg here as well. Okay, so with 2 weights, one of 1 kg, one of 3 kg, I can measure 4 weights, 1, 2, 3 and then 4 kg. What next? Now I want to measure 5 kg, 6 kg, 7 kg and so on. Which weight will I take next? If you can see, there is a pattern here. This was 3 raised to 0, which is 1 kg, and this is 3 raised to 1, which is 3 kg. Next will be 3 raised to 2, that is 9 kg. If you always take with this pattern, it will be followed. You will be able to measure the range which is there in between. So I am taking one more weight of 9 kg. Let me just give you one example of this. Can you measure 5 kg from this? Yes, I can measure 5 kg from this. I'll put 9 kg here, which is my this weight. Okay, and I'll put a weight of 5 kg here, which is what I'm supposed to measure. Okay, along with that I'll put this 3 plus 1, which is my 4 kg here. Correct. Now I know this is 5 kg because this and this will balance. This is 9 kg. So can I measure 5? Of course I can measure 5. Similarly, I'll be able to measure 6, 7, 8 and then 9 and then so on and then so on. Okay, till what maximum weight can I measure by using this? In this case, what is the maximum weight? When you just had 2, the maximum weight that you could have measured was 3 plus 1, 4 kg. Correct. This is the maximum weight that you can measure with this 2. What is the maximum weight that you can measure with this 3? That is 1 plus 3 plus 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 kg is what is the maximum that you can measure from this. Okay, but as you can understand, we are always going in the powers of 3. Now I need to go till 121. I need to go till maximum of 121. So what will I do right now? I'll say take the maximum to be reaching to 121. So take the next power of 3. 3 raised to 0, 3 raised to 1, 3 raised to 2. This will be 3 raised to 3. That is nothing but 27. Okay, now if you add all of them, 27 plus 9 plus 3, this turns out to be 40. So with this four weights I can measure maximum up to 40 kg. Okay, but what maximum I need? 121. So take one more weight with the next power of 3. And what is the next power of 3 here? 3 raised to 4 is 3 raised to 3 is being done, so next power is 3 raised to 4, that is 81 kg. So I'll take one weight of 81 kg here. Okay, so how many weights did I take? 5. One of 1 kg, then of 3 kg, then of 9 kg, then of 27 kg and 81 kg. I took this 5 weight. With this 5 weight, what is the maximum that I can measure? Of course I can measure the range in between them, right? I already know that. What is the maximum that I can measure with this? 81 plus 27 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1, that turns out to be what? 30, 40, 121, correct. 40 plus 80, that is 121. So I can measure up till 121 kg by using this 5 weights. So what are the minimum weights that will be required? 5 weights. How heavy should each weight be? This is the range: 1 kg, 3 kg, 9 kg, 27 kg and 81 kg. That much heavy should each weight be, and I need 5 such weight to measure anything which is there in the range of 1 to 121. Okay, anything that is there in range I can measure by this. So this is a simple trick. Powers of 3 is the answer to this, and you know the logic behind this as well. Just reach to the maximum. If you can't reach 121 by 3 power 4, then go to 3 power 5 as well to see if you can reach the maximum which is being asked in the question.